This is my sheep brain dissection video. So covering the brain would be the craniomeninges, the outer layer is the dura mater, the middle layer is the arachnoid mater, and the layer closest to the brain is known as the pia mater. The falx cerebri is an extension of the dura mater that separates the two cerebral hemispheres. The tentorium cerebelli separates the cerebrum from the cerebellum. The four lobes of the brain, this would be the frontal lobe, which functions in motor function, problem solving, memory, and conscious thought. Back here are the parietal lobes, which function in sensory perception and integration. Back here are the occipital lobes, which process visual information, and the temporal lobes process auditory information. The folds on the cerebrum, the raised parts are known as gyri, and the valley lower parts are known as sulci. Parts of the brainstem, this part would be the medulla, which functions in controlling basic vital functions such as respirations and heart rate. The pons connects certain different parts of the brain and also helps control the respiratory system. The cerebellum functions in refining muscle movements. Here you can see the corpus callosum. It's white matter that connects the two cerebral hemispheres. The ventral side, we can see the olfactory bulbs followed by the olfactory tracts, and the optic nerve would be back here, and this is the optic chiasm where the two nerves join, and the optic tract follows behind the chiasm. Small hole here would be the infundibulum, and this is where the pituitary gland would be found. Pituitary gland secretes hormones that control other endocrine glands. The mammillary body is found right here, which is a relay station for reflexes related to smell. Trigeminal nerves are located at the junction of the pons and the medulla, and the abducen nerves are found right in the same area, just about medial and slightly posterior to the trigeminal nerves. Going inside the brain, the septum pellucidum would be found right here, which separates the lateral ventricles. So these would be the lateral ventricles in this area. The cerebral aqueduct would be found right here, which leads to the fourth ventricle, and all these ventricles hold cerebral spinal fluid. The thalamus, found right here. It's a major relay station for sensory information from the spinal cord and brainstem to the cerebrum. I believe that covers pretty much everything. So